Together, let's progress.
Hi, welcome back. Well, as promised, Venkys is on our radar. The stock has seen a stunning 40% rally since yesterday morning on news that the company was out of SEBI's list of additional surveillance measures, or the ASM list that we call it. The stock rose 20% after as it exited ASM. B. Venkatesh Rao, the MD of Venkys India, joins us now to talk about the business as well as, all this confusion with regards to the ASM list. Mr. Rao, good morning. Any idea on what led to the exclusion from the ASM category?
I think good morning, man. First of all, good morning to you. And I think I exactly as I've been telling last time also that for some reason, some bunch of companies had come under surveillance or whatever, but it was totally the trading part of it, not the business part of it. So I think they came to a conclusion, and I think they sorted out without asking any queries with the company. So it's nothing to do with us again, as I said. Thank you.
No, nothing to do with the company at all. I agree. It must have been trading patterns, number of clients, number of positions, and things like that. But could you figure out what led to the inclusion into ASM and what brought it out? Could you figure out from investors or regulators?
It's simple. I think because the jump what it took from 400 to 4,000 plus, and then naturally it has to be gone through the process, and if it is something happening very quickly, then it naturally comes under observation.
Okay,
Simple
fair enough. Let's get back to the business then. The last time we spoke to you, you said there's some pricing pressure in the market because of a glut that you're noticing. Have things gotten better?
I think, ma'am, right now the position is that because of the festival season, again, I think there's a little bit of a glut, and the rates are coming down on the broiler particularly, hatching eggs particularly. This happens throughout the seasonal time during the year, so there's nothing to get worried about. But it should start picking up from October, November. It should start picking up. So there will be a little bit of a glut in the market because of the seasonal intake of non-veg is expected. The percentage goes down basically.
You mean for Ashad, people don't eat non-veg or something like that?
Yeah, a number of people, a huge percentage which comes down in Ashad, as you said. Yeah.
Okay, let me just get a word in on your milk nutrition products, malt drinks, whey protein. First of all, what is the size of that business as a percentage of the total? And even over there, the milk guys are talking about glut.
Well, I don't know about the milk guys, ma'am, but yes, I totally believe you because sometimes we don't get milk because of this strikes and vagera. But it is hardly any percentage. It is about 2 to 3% what we are, this protein and this chocolate drink what we are producing right now, and it should start picking up slowly.
Okay. What is the production capacity overall for your poultry business, I'm asking? And if you told us about the price trends, but if you can just put a number to that, how much have the poultry prices fallen over the last, say, 2 months? And what is the expectation, 10%, 15%?
Okay, I'll give you a short brief. The layer business, what is the total production per annum is 238 million production, which we hold about 80% of the market. And broiler is about, I think, 40 crores per month, which we hold about 75% of the market. And as far as maize and soya, which is the raw material of 75%, which totally depends on the production costs, this year is 10 to 15% more than last year. So it's a good news that raw material is available for the poultry farmers, small, big, medium, everybody, for the industry as such. So we have to just watch and grow according to 10 and 12% per annum, there where the mantra is. So that is the whole equation.
You are undertaking any expansion of the poultry products business?
Yes, we are increasing our capacities of parents, particularly in south, north, and west zone. So our productions will go a little bit according to the requirement of the market. We are the placements are increasing. So naturally, the hatching eggs capacity also will go up, and we are also increasing on our pattern of feed milling also geographically throughout the country. So it is going to be quality stuff coming in.
Okay. What's the market share that you enjoy right now, and any changes post GST?
We enjoy layers. We enjoy about 80%, and broilers we enjoy about 72% in the Indian market. And GST is not, of course, it has to understand and study. It took a while, but I think things are settling down because one-time tax. So things are settling down coolly and steadily, ma'am.
Okay. Your margins for FY18 were a huge 14.5%. They get better this year, FY19?
After the season, after the festivals, it should be 8 to 10%, I think, because everything the crop looks good. Particularly, again, it depends on your production levels. If everybody puts the heads down and according to the parameters they increase, I'm sure the 8 to 10% will be a good rise.
Okay. See, milk products, a small 2%. Any other products you will diversify into?
Well, we are also coming, as I've been last time telling you, the soybean plants, extraction plants, which are coming in production after 6 months, those will be in action. The vegetable oilseed plant, the vegetable oil plant also is coming in production. So these are a couple of, and further processing, of course, we are coming in. Venkys Express is ours, but Venkys Experience, we are going to give it out for the middle tier businessmen. So it is all coming slowly. And of course, the further processing, as you hear recently, McDonald's has 250 restaurants, is going to come up to 500 restaurants in a couple of years. So there's increase in the further processing products also.
Oh yes, a lot of demand. I must say, we haven't even spoken about KFC, have we? Thank you very much, Mr. Venkatesh, for joining us and giving us those details.
That's made us hungry, right?
No, actually, we talk of hatching eggs as, people doing nothing but for hatching eggs, if you're making a 3,000 crore business, then it's worth hatching eggs. We have to wind down on Bazaar on that note. We leave you with the highlights of the past 2.5 hours, which have gone to the bulls, lock, stock and barrel.
What we have realized, this quarter is likely to continue for couple of quarters.
Preference shares which have been issued are non-convertible, so they won't affect the equity dilution.
Auditor का जो resign वाला जो matter था, उसको लेके जो है करीब 40-50% का फर्क पड़ा.
For Nifty, we expect an earnings growth which is a little over 20% for the current financial year.
This could be a year where, for the industry, you could see a growth of about 10 to 12%.
The book would continue to compound at north of 30%.
Brought to you by SIS, a market leader in security, cash logistics and facility management. Titan I+. And magicbricks.com.
To Meera, Rajasthan seemed a bit like this.
शादी के बाद जिम्मेदारियां बढ़ेंगी। हमारी मानो SIP शुरू कर दो।
SIP? Not sure, माँ।
श्योर तो हम भी नहीं थे इनको लेके, लेकिन प्यार और भरोसा ना बेटा धीरे धीरे बढ़ता है।
म्यूचुअल फंड्स में SIP द्वारा निवेश करें। आखिर बात किश्तों में ही बनती है। SIP बात बने किश्तों में। म्यूचुअल फंड निवेश बाजार के जोखिमों के अधीन है। योजना से जुड़े सभी दस्तावेजों को ध्यान से पढ़ें।
बेब, पिज्जा ऑर्डर कर। किस खुशी में? I dumped him.
Domino's everyday value starting at just ₹99. अब जब दिल बोले Domino's order now.
अगर आप शेयर ट्रेडिंग करते हैं तो स्टॉक नोट ऐप डाउनलोड कीजिए और पहले महीने 100% ब्रोकरेज कैशबैक पाइए।
Investment in securities markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.
You watch me on CNBC TV 18 daily, but TV has its limitations. So I'll be with you on your laptops and mobiles. Yes, CNBCTV18.com is the place to be. I'll be writing daily columns on markets and individual stocks to help you make money, and I'll be interacting with you on a daily basis. So do join me on CNBCTV18.com.
This is TV18 and you're watching CNBC TV18.
Chartbusters, brought to you by SIS, a market leader in security, cash logistics and facility management. Upstocks, trade faster, trade smarter. And ICICI Bank iMobile.